Two more men detained by ICE officers after attending required hearings at Sacramento's immigration court.
A volunteer with the advocacy group says they witnessed the men being handcuffed by more than 8 officers. KCRA 3's Carolina Estrada has been tracking these cases since April. So Carolina, what do we know about the 2 men arrested today?
Yeah, Andrea, Lisa, all we've been able to confirm so far is one of them is a man from India. Now, in total, NorCal Resist says there's been at least 6 arrests at Sacramento's immigration courts this year. We've been following these arrests, and here's a timeline we put together. We first reported about an arrest at the courts back in April after ICE officers detained a Venezuelan asylum seeker on March 27th. It happened when 24-year-old Wilfredo Rivero attempted to update his address like he's required to do. Then on May 29th, 2 Venezuelan men and a Haitian man were detained by plainclothes officers as they were leaving their scheduled court hearings. 2 of them had already submitted their asylum applications. Now the latest one's happening today as the 2 men left their hearings. Now in all the cases we've covered, volunteers have witnessed these arrests. But Giselle Garcia with NorCal Resist tells us how these detentions are happening makes it difficult for their volunteers to actually document them.
While our volunteers are trained to always get videos or pictures, they cannot inside of the courthouse because it's illegal to take pictures and videos without permission in a federal court building or a federal building.
And these detentions have sparked fear among the undocumented community. Immigration attorneys say people who don't show up to a court hearing will receive a deportation order. And tonight, advocacy groups are urging people to have a family preparedness plan if they have upcoming hearings. Take a listen.
You know, make plans of guardianship plans if you have children that might stay. Get the proper authorizations for doctors to be willing to talk to whoever your children will stay with. Give school the proper authorization for someone else to pick them up.
They recommend people with scheduled court dates to go with their attorney. If they don't have one, NorCal Resist has a volunteer program. Back to you.
Carolina, thank you so much.